In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello labels. Labels are a simple way to add quick visual meaning to your cards so you can scan a board and understand status, priority, or category at a glance. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. Begin on your Trello homepage. From here, open the board you want to work with by clicking its tile. Once the board loads, choose a card where you want to add or manage labels and click it to open the card details. Inside the card, look to the right-hand side for the Labels option and click it. This opens the Labels panel, which is where you'll apply, search, and create labels. At the top of this panel, you'll see a search field. You can search here to quickly find existing labels across your board. Click into the field and start typing. The results below update automatically as you type, so you don't need to press enter. If your team uses a naming convention like priority, status, or department, try typing a keyword to narrow things down instantly. To apply an existing label, choose the color or name from the list and click it. You'll see the label appear on the card immediately. You can apply more than one label if that helps communicate multiple attributes like a priority and a workflow stage. If you change your mind, just click the same label again to remove it. If you don't see what you need, create a new label. Select the option to add a new label, give it a clear, short name, and choose a color that won't be confused with others on your board. Consistency is key here. For example, you might reserve red for high priority, yellow for medium, and green for done or approved. When you save, the new label appears in the list and is applied to the card. You can edit label names and colors later without breaking existing cards that use them. Back on the board, labels show as colored chips on each card, making it easy to scan and spot what matters. If you like more detail, you can reveal label names on cards, but keeping names short helps them fit neatly. As your board grows, labels become even more useful because you can filter your view by label to focus on a specific slice of work. That's all there is to it. Open a card, click labels, search or create, and apply the colors and names that make your workflow clear. Follow these steps on a few cards to build a consistent, meaningful labeling system across your board.